Hi, Falcons. All right, so this is the video directions for the Exploring Changes in Motion assignment. We are doing this in class, either the 20th or 21st, depending on what period you're in. Here are the slides from the Pear Deck that we're working on. So if you were not in class, you would want to open these slides. And we are on slide 25. Okay, so what we need is an object that can roll or slide. So find something in your house that can roll or slide. Okay, so some options that you might have, like a highlighter or a marker that can roll. I have a ping pong ball, a golf ball, any kind of ball. This is just a lid, a toy car. If you have anything, you only need one thing, but just one thing. Okay. So grab one thing that you have that can slide or roll. Okay. So then we have open. We have this document. It is in Google Classroom. So it's this one that we have as our assignment. So let's read the directions. So find an object that can ride or slide on the floor, table, for example, a small box, a lid, a jar, to a jar. My goodness. Use the object to investigate the guiding question. Record your notes in the table. So the guiding question is, in what ways can the motion of an object change? So think about, like, if an object is moving, what can happen to it? Or if the object is not moving, what can happen to it? So if it's already moving, if it's not already moving, what can happen? So an example is an object that is already moving can slow down. Okay, so I've chosen to use my lid. Okay, so I'm going to look at the example first. So an object that is already moving, so moving, can slow down. So maybe I'm going to slide it on the table and have it go onto the paper, and it kind of slowed down right here. Okay, so that happened. What else can happen if I have an object that's moving? So moving, what can happen? Or if it's not moving right now, it's not moving, what can happen? Right? So what happened to the object that is causing it to the motion to change? Okay, so once you have your table filled out with what can happen to that object, so how the motion can change, right? Then you're going to record a Flipgrid. So the link is in Google Classroom along with this assignment. You're going to record a Flipgrid. You do not have to show your face, but you do have to explain what happened. So, like, for example, if it was moving and the object stops, right? Would that be something that can happen? Show me that happening and just explain it real quick. Okay. I will leave these open or private at first, and then I might open them. So just be aware that I might make them public, but I will not have you guys commenting on each other's. All right. So that is the assignment. Let me know if you have any questions.